I have so many questions that I need to answer. So first of all, thank you everyone for being so engaging and being so participative in the comments sections of my videos. And for those who have emailed me for the PDF of the list of the top 20 castor oil brands, thank you so much. I hope you are enjoying the list, and I hope the list is helping you decide on what castor oil to buy. So today I'm going to do a quick video about my castor oil routine at night. And the reason why I do it at night is because castor oil is really thick and I want to keep it on my face while I sleep. Those are the two reasons why I do my castor oil routine at night. I'm still using up the castor oil bottle that I use because it's not as bad. It's just not cold pressed. This is Queen of the Thrones castor oil. But because it's very thick, it's very hard to apply, and you want to be able to apply it very smoothly over your face. I mix it with jojoba oil. So this is one that I use just in case you are asking, because where there are products where you can't mix them, products that you have to put on your face separately because of contraindications or things like that. And I'm going to share with you again as to what oils go best with castor oil. And so if you already have those oils and then you have castor oil, perfect. So this is what I do at night. This is my nightly routine, and I wanted to put it out now in case you are all waiting. I don't want you to wait any longer. As you can see, I have makeup because I just did some filming, but I thought I should do this. Are you ready for the routine I do at night? Here we go. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have been following me, thank you so much for your loyalty, for your support. I really appreciate you. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I hope you're liking this episode so far, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I try to put up good content, great content that is useful, is informative, especially when I have actually used the products, or if it's something that I experienced. I always want to share them with you because my goal is that whatever works for me, I will share, because they might just work for you, whether it's through eating healthy, skincare, makeup, fashion, beauty, anything, mental health, anything that makes you feel really good about yourself. Okay, so here we go. This is my nighttime routine, and this includes castor oil because ever since I had my own castor oil, it really has been helpful, on top of the fact that it actually healed my recurring pain and injury from my rotor cuff accident that I had. Well, I injured it in 2004. It's been recurring since 2017 or something, but my castor oil just helped me recover from it overnight. I've never gone to get any medications from the doctor. I didn't go for therapy because it healed. So I was able to just resume my gym and my dances. So it's really, really a miracle oil. Okay, so before I even do any cleansing, soaping of my face, I wipe out my makeup using makeup wipes and my Marcel micellar water. This is very powerful in removing grease, oil, makeup on the face, because you know what? You gotta, if you've had makeup the entire day, like I wear makeup, I go to work every day, I do filming, so I have to put makeup. So I need this. I wipe off my makeup with this one, and then I wash my face with Avène. This is a mattifying cleansing product, and this is what I use. I wash my face with this. By the way, always my washing practice is, whatever it is that I do, I first wash my face with lukewarm water, as warm as my skin could take, and then I start doing this. After I wash with Avène, because I like using organic products. I like using products that are made from natural stuff like fruit or flowers or tea. So this is my Japanese soap, made by a home-based Japanese business lady, and it's made of tea. So I have to use this. It's really very soothing, and It smells so good, and it smells very organic. It smells very organic. And then after I soap my face, I rinse it with lukewarm water while my pores are there and the grease is all waiting to be rinsed. After it's thoroughly rinsed, I rinse it finally with super cold water, like very cold water. To keep it firm, close the pores, keep it firm. You'll feel that your skin is very dry after washing because, putting all these products, right? After washing, when my face is all dry and things like that, it's time for my castor oil. I get a small drop of this castor oil, very small drop, and then I get my jojoba oil. And I mix it very, very well, and then that way it's easier to apply, and then I apply it all over my face. And always my practice, and I hope you do that too because it's worked for me so well, is always circular upward. Whatever it is you're doing, whether you're washing your face, whether you're cleaning your makeup, whether you're rinsing, it's always circular upward motion, which my mom taught me, because it's almost like you're massaging your face so that you don't pull your skin downwards, right? See, and it does not feel so sticky and heavily covered by oil because of jojoba. And the reason why I want my castor oil and jojoba oil as the first products I put on my skin is because castor oil has the ability, it has resinolic acid, it has the ability to permeate through the dermis, and that's why it'll carry with it the jojoba oil. And then after that, I put this one. I don't rub this in circular motion. This is my toner. Innisfree. It's a Korean toner made of black tea. I put in my fingers and then I pat. Pat very lightly. It gives a cooling effect. It gives a thinner effect, especially after you put your oil. My daily routine is different from my nighttime routine. So at night, before I put my moisturizer, I put my serum. This is my Anti-Age Global by Yves Rocher. This is my serum that I put all over my face. And then I put my moisturizer. I'm almost running out of my Vichy. This is my nighttime moisturizer by Vichy. I put my moisturizer and my serums in a little fridge. It's just for my makeup. I put my eye masks there, everything. It's very handy and it's so cold. It's very nice. It's so soothing to the face. There you go. That's my nighttime routine. And I leave everything on my face. And I would like to take this opportunity to tell you too that if you can actually use silk, some use satin because satin is close to silk. It's not as bad as cotton pillowcase. If you want your products to stay in your face longer, use silk pillowcase because cotton will absorb it. And of course, cotton is not very good for your hair and for your skin. I actually use Blissy silk pillowcase. This is not a paid endorsement or a sponsorship, but because I love Blissy, I actually have two of these. I'm using the other one. I also have a satin one. Right now, I'm using the satin because my other Bliss is in the wash. But this is my new one. I'm going to use this soon. And of course, pink is my favorite color. So the first time I used satin pillowcase was last year. I would say summer. And then I bought my Blissy pillowcases in December. So I've been using silk pillowcase ever since. And it really works so well. I do have an amazing pillow from Zamat Pillow. So it's a memory pillow, and I got that in December. And now that I've used it for months, you can tell how the shape has actually already followed my shape, and it makes me sleep even better. The feeling of having your Zamat pillow and then your silk pillowcase on top, it feels like you're really taking care of your skin. I wanted to just share my new pillow from Zamat Blue Dot. Ta-da! I had to try this before I talked about it. So I received this on December 5th. You know, I have a problem sleeping because I am very active. I have a very active mind. If I do not sleep by 12 or 1, I won't be able to sleep at all. And I'm going to go 2 days, 48 hours without sleep. And it's very hard for me to go back to sleep. When I was younger, I had insomnia for 10 months. I would sleep at 6 in the morning and wake up at 7. I had to see a doctor back then, and he told me that if you keep turning sleep away, one day it's going to turn you away. And that's exactly what happened. Now that I'm older, when I'm anxious, when I'm excited, I won't be able to sleep. And since I had this, I had been able to sleep regardless of my anxiety or excitement. This is where I put my head. This is called the head support area. Here's the shoulder support area, and that's your arm support area. And if you're a back sleeper, this is how you lie down on the pillow. This pillow has no odors. The Blue Dot Ultra Memory Foam button pillow is made with top-notch, odorless, and safe memory foam to ensure comfortable and refreshing sleep. I injured my back in 2017. In 2018, I actually had sciatica, and this one helps me sleep, especially when you're in pain. You want to be able to sleep, right? So this has so many benefits, not just sleeping. It really helps me relax. You can grab this and get a 15% discount. The link to Zamat is in the description of my video. Thank you so much, Zamat. I have never had an amazing sleep until I had your pillow. I hope you learned a lot from this episode. I hope that it provided you with some information as to how I would do my skin routine and how it has helped me keep my skin at least at this stage now that I'm already 62. I'm turning 63 in August. But see, I am a late bloomer when it comes to skincare. I only used age-old dinosauric techniques until I became aware of sunblock last year, July 2023. Before that, I would do the rinsing, warm and lukewarm and cold. And then I would wash my face. I would use papaya mask, egg white masks. I would use moisturizer. So very simple. I would use clear soap, pear soap with glycerin. So those were my old techniques. So I still use them, except that I have now my chemical products. Thank you again for watching. You take care. Take care of your face. Take care of your skin. But remember that no matter what products we put on our faces, on our skin, the best is still following a very healthy lifestyle. Eat healthy, exercise, sleep well, drink lots of water, think positive, and of course, love yourself. Always appreciate yourself. I hope you follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And I hope you will love my content in the past and in the future because I try my best to make them really, really fun to watch and informative and helpful. Take care. Bye for now.